Example number 2. Example number 2. Why is it not coming? Now why is it coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. आपकी आवाज बहुत धीरे धीरे.
Example number 2. Okay, okay. Yes. First of all, we write the items. After that, sales. After that, total. Yes. First of all, write the items. Items. After that, sales. Sales in rupees. In rupees. Item is your ordinary bread. Ordinary bread. Ordinary bread. Okay. That is 320 rupees. The next one is biscuits. How much? 120 rupees. After that, cakes and pastries. Cakes and pastries. How much rupees? 160 rupees. After that, your fruit bread. Fruit
80 rupees. 80 rupees.
80 rupees. And next is your others.
40 rupees.
Students, are you able to listen me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next is others. Others, how much? That is 40.
40
And
rupees.
total sum of the sale is total sum of the sale is
720.
720.
720.
Yes, 720. Now your central angle. Your central angle is your central angle. Central angle you can find out, that is 320, total is 720. $320 total is 720 into 360. Why did you take the 360?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in item, what was the last one?
Others. Others. OTHERS.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if we have done the exercise 5.1, then can you continue question?
Yes. Others. Now 320 total is 720 and your complete angles. Complete angle will be 360 degree. Complete angle will be 360 degree. So we will take 360. Now 360 1 the 360, 360 2 the 720 to say 160. It becomes 160 degree. Now next is biscuits. Your central angle will be 120 divided by 720 into 360. That is 2 and it becomes 60 degree. It becomes 60 degree. Now Next is your 160 divided by 720 and 360. Same 360 मतलब 360 to the 720 to 80. It becomes 80 degree. Any doubt? Any problems up to here? Okay. Next is your 80. 80 divided by total is 720 and your complete angle 360 degree. It becomes 360 to the 720 to 40. It becomes 40 degree. Now your next is 40. 40 divided by 720 into 360. That is your 2. That is your 20. It becomes 20 degree. These are your central angles. These are your central angles. From by using central angle, we have to draw a pie chart. We have to draw a pie chart. Any doubt? Any problem up to here? Okay. Have you done up to here?
So we have to
Do it fast.
So we have to do this in a fair notebook.
Yes. In fair notebook, you have to complete it. First of all, draw a circle by using compass with any radius. First of all, draw a circle of any radius. 3 cm, 4 cm, you can draw any circles. Draw it. Taking the center, this is the center point. Okay. Take a line. Take a line such as. Take a line such as. Have you taken? Yes. Have you a protector? Have you a protector?
Yes.
Yes. आपने क्या करना है? Use the protractor and please take the midpoint. Midpoint of protractor and place the midpoint of protractor and point O. Protractor का जो midpoint है उसको O point पे लिखिए और जो ब्लैक लाइन है इस ब्लैक लाइन को इस लाइन के ऊपर रखिए. जो आपके प्रोट्रैक्टर की ब्लैक लाइन है उस ब्लैक लाइन को इस लाइन के ऊपर रखना है. ये जो लाइन है इस लाइन के ऊपर रखना है.
Sir, can you tell from starting?
First of all, draw a circle with radius 3 cm या 4 cm या 5 cm, any radius you can take. Okay. With the help of compass, draw a circle of suitable radius. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now pick up your protractor from your geometry box and put the midpoint of protractor on point A and your compass black line lie on this line. इस लाइन के ऊपर होना चाहिए. ये तो लाइन है आपके पास, ये लाइन है, इस लाइन पे प्रोट्रैक्टर की ब्लैक लाइन होनी चाहिए और जो आपके पास प्रोट्रैक्टर का मिड पॉइंट है वो O पे होना चाहिए. ठीक है. आपने क्या करना है, 160 डिग्री का you have to draw an angle of 160 degree. That is your 160 degree and you have to draw an angle of 160 degree. You have to draw an angle of 160 degree. That is your 160 degree angles. Draw it. This is your 160 degree angles. Have you done?
No, sir. I did not make it, sir.
Yes, use protractor to draw this. आपने क्या करना है, प्रोट्रैक्टर का यूज करना है, कंपास का यूज नहीं करना है इसमें ड्रॉ एंगल ड्रॉ करने के लिए. Have you drawn or not?
Yes, sir.
Drawn?
Yes, sir.
It is your ordinary breaks. Not down in ordinary breaks. And your next is biscuits. Central angle of biscuit is 60 degree.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay. Now, am I audible to you? Okay. Okay. Yes, please tell me. Yes, please tell me what is the central angle of biscuits? 60 degree. Yes. Now take O as the midpoint, central angle. That is midpoint. You have to take compass. You have to take protractor and midpoint of protractor. Please put on point O. प्रोट्रैक्टर का मिड पॉइंट आपने O पॉइंट रखना है और इस लाइन को बेस रखना है. इस लाइन को बेस बनाना है. ये लाइन क्या है? बेस है. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. You have to draw an angle of 60 degree because the angle of biscuit is 60 degree. Angle of biscuit is 60 degree. It is your 60 degree angle. Have you done or not? Biscuits. आपने क्या किया? यहाँ पे आपने प्रोट्रैक्टर को रखना है इस पॉइंट पे O पे और इस लाइन को बेस बनाया आपने. यहाँ पे बेस बनाया है. बेस क्या होता है? Your protractor black line will lie on this line. प्रोट्रैक्टर की ब्लैक लाइन इस लाइन पे लाई करनी चाहिए. ठीक है. अब देखिए प्रोट्रैक्टर में एंगल तो 60 डिग्री वो कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे. इसको कट कीजिए यहाँ पे. इसको यहाँ पे कट करके इस लाइन को ज्वाइन करें. ओके. Your next is 80 degree. Angle is 80 degree. Now put the midpoint of protractor on point O and make base of this line. इस लाइन को बेस बनाइए. You have to make base this line. इस लाइन को बेस बनाएंगे and draw an angle of 80 degree. You have to draw an angle of 80 degree. This is your angle of 80 degree. Now angle 80 degree. Now angle 80 degree represents cakes and pastries. Cakes and pastries. Cakes and pastries.
So completed.
Now your next is cake and pastries completed. Now your next is fruit breads. That is 40 degree angles. How much angle? 40 degree angles. That is your 40 degree angles. Next, it is your 40 degree angles. Make with the help of protractor. That is your.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, cake and pastries of 160.
80 degree. Ordinary bread 160. ये angle you have to check. Listen students. You have to check central angle. Central angle you have to check. Your 160 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree and 20 degree. You have to check your central angles.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next is your 40 degree. 40 degree is your fruit bread. Fruit bread. And next other is 20 degree. It is your remaining will be your 20 degree. That is your others. 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 Okay. Any doubt? Any problems?
Sir, please and biscuit. Sir, how will we do other one?
Other one means
Sir, like after cube bread we have to do others, so how will we do that?
mean take the sequence wise. First your ordinary bread, after biscuit, after cakes and pastries, after fruit bread and after others. Take the sequence as it is.
Sir, please do biscuit.
Yes.
Sir, please do biscuit.
We'll draw the
Sir, biscuit.
what are you saying? Garvika?
Sir, he asked you to draw.
What is he saying?
To draw. Okay.
Draw
Sir, he's saying please draw the biscuits.
biscuits.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, biscuits 60 degree angles. Biscuits angle is 60 degree. In your 60 degree angles you have to draw. How can you draw? Put the midpoint of protractor and point O. Take this line as a base. आपको बेस लेना, ठीक है? अब अपने प्रोट्रैक्टर में ये चेक कीजिए कि एंगल 60 डिग्री कहाँ पे? एंगल 60 डिग्री आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा। एक पॉइंट मिल गया, इस पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करेंगे इस पॉइंट से, ठीक है? ऐसे ज्वाइन करो। Any doubt, any problems?
No.
Have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now exercise 5.2, question number first. Do it fast. Do it fast.
Sir, does this set the point not right?
Now exercise 5 point.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to do this example in copy.
Yes.
Clear copy.
Yes. You have to complete this example in your clear notebook. Now
Okay, sir.
exercise 5.2, question number first. Please read the question properly. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart show the finding of this survey. 40% people like light music, 20% people like semi-classical music, and 10% people like classical music, and 30% people like folk dance music. Okay. From this pie chart, answer the following. If 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Which type of music is likely by the maximum number of people? Third, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Okay. Now we have to complete all the three parts by using the given figure. By using the given figure. If 20 people like classical music, in first part, and classical music is 10%. 10%. We don't know total number of peoples. How many peoples surveyed? And 10% in the figure like classical music. 10% of total number of surveying peoples is equal to 20. So let total number of people survey. Total number of people survey. Let total number of people survey. The number of people survey. Number of people survey. X. Let number of people survey. How many? X people सर्वे कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। और 10% ऑफ x, टोटल जो हमारे पास x है उसका 10% ऑफ x is equal to 20. 10%. Why we take 10%? Because 10% is the that which like the classical music and 20% like classical music. So 10% of x is also that people like classical music, and 20 is also people like classical music. Both are equals. Any doubt, any problems? 10% of x equal to 20.
No, sir.
Why 10% of x equal to 20? Please tell me. Why I am taking 10% of x? Yes, Punam.
10% people, 7% people of person also take it.
Yes. 10% means 10% people like the classical music. But in question, 20 people like the classical music. 10% total numbers. Total people which are serving, I don't know. I am considering that is x, and 10% of x equal to 20. Now we will solve it and find out the value of x. Solve it. Yes. 10% means 10 by 100. Percent means 100. Into x is equal to 20.
Into x was 20.
Yes. Now we have to find out the value of x. X is equal to 20. Reciprocal of it 100 by 10. 0 answer. It becomes x is equal to 200. 200 people survey. 200 people survey. Number of young people surveyed. Therefore, number of young people surveyed 200. Number of young people surveyed, that is 200. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have you done?
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second part. Which of the music is liked by maximum number of peoples? Please tell me. Light music 40%. Yes. Light music 40% people like music, which is the maximum number of peoples. ठीक ना? Light music is liked by maximum number of peoples. Okay? Light music liked by music liked by is liked by light music is liked by maximum number of people. Maximum number of people. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Now third part is if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs. एक कैसेट कंपनी है, उसको 1000 CD प्रिपेयर करनी है. हाउ मैनी ऑफ ईच टाइप वुड दे मेक? 1000 में आपके पास क्या है? 10% क्लासिकल म्यूजिक है और 20% सेमी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक बनाना है और 30% फोक डांस की है और क्या है 30% फोक डांस है, 40% क्या है लाइट म्यूजिक है. ठीक है ना? Now third part is 1000. Total number of CD is 1000. We have to divide 1000 CDs in each type: folk dance, light music, semi classical music and classical music. Number of CDs made for light music. Number of CDs made for light music. Percentage of light music is, please check. 40%. 40% of 1000 CDs. 40% means 40 by 100. That is 1000. It means 400 CDs. 400 CDs. Okay. And next is your light music. After that, semi classical music. Number of CDs made for semi classical music. Please tell me, what will you do? Semi classical
Sir,
music. 20% of 1000. 20% means 20 by 100 into 1000. That is 200 CDs. 200 CDs we have to make for semi classical music. And next one is number of CDs made for classical music. Number of CDs made for classical music. That is your 10% of 1000. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, your 10 by 100 into 1000. That is 100 series. Okay. Your next is number of
Okay,
series
so-
made for folk dance. Folk dance. Number of series made by folk dance. Your folk dance is 30%.
Yes, sir.
30%
And
of
folk music.
1000.
equals to 30 by 100 into 1000.
Cancel out, that is 300. 300 series. Any doubt, any problems? Do it
No,
fast.
sir.
Do it fast.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.